Welcome to the Tupy Show. I am Tupy, and this is Carli.
Hey, how's it going?
We're here today just to talk some shit and look up some Craigslist posts. I
Yeah,
think
we're
that's
gonna
what
start off
we're
with
gonna
that
start off with. Yeah.
because that's always fun, and and then we'll move into later. I do have a little thing about Trump and what he's done next, so we'll get to that after these. It's pretty. I have a feeling we're gonna be hearing about it, but we'll see. I don't know.
Are we fresh? Is this fresh
It was
news?
it was like 23 minutes ago that they posted on Perplexity.
Oh, splendid.
Yeah,
We're
it's
we're
nothing.
fresh.
Yeah,
Did his golf game go bad? Am I heading in the right direction?
no, but these
You
might
throw a
be
golf
his
club?
golf bags. I don't know.
Oh.
These are for free if you're looking for them. They look really nice.
What area is it about?
This is in St. Clair Shores, Detroit, and Michigan, I think. Yeah. Oh,
Beautiful place this
just
time of year.
yeah, don't disturb the occupants though, it says. So just keep it the fuck down.
So like when you go to pick it up, they're
Yeah.
just like, "Hey, tone her down."
So when you pull up, don't be like, "Hey fuckers." Like just start
Yeah,
yelling like
yeah. Well, and especially too, you don't want to wake the neighbors up either,
no.
because it's probably their fucking pool. But
Yeah,
I mean, who knows?
never know. We got free scrap bike. That's a good one. Oh, Kiki.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that's
People giving away free cats or something.
yeah. That's a nice chair. That's a nice green.
Oh,
That's like teal.
oh. What a beautiful shade of, I would say, aqua?
Aqua.
Do I dare say?
That's aqua. I don't know. It looks well worn.
Slightly used with some character.
Yeah. Brighton, Michigan. Yeah. If you want to go find that.
Beautiful place as well this time of year. Beautiful.
Oh, free propane tank, vintage typewriter.
Oh shit,
Gosh.
we have to send them an email. We are on the hunt for a beautiful vintage
Look at
typewriter.
that.
Oh my god, they
It's
just have that
hot.
delectable.
I think that's weed. Look at that.
Oh my god. Oh my god, you can go pick yourself up a typewriter, a pre-planted weed plant, and a fucking propane tank. What more
I don't
what
know.
what what more do you ask for? I mean, my goodness, is it free? Are they
No.
charging? Can you leave
He
something in the donation bucket?
he even says in the post, he says it's Christmas in July, baby.
Holy shit, it is. I'm so glad we're getting it out to the people this early. How long ago was this posted? I
2
hope we're
days ago. I think it's still sitting there because he said he would take it down when it was gone.
Oh, thank goodness it's still up. We are where's this at again?
Canton, Plymouth.
Oh, beautiful place, beautiful place.
Yeah, I don't know. That's pretty interesting.
Yeah. That's
That I'm pretty sure that was
solid
a weed
pickup
plant.
there.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was. Oh, laptop bag. What kind of laptop bag is this? Sun Trace. That is an old ass. That doesn't even look like a messenger bag. Oh, that looks like crap. Nobody wants that.
Think the message is
Oh,
they're
yes.
about to steal your heart.
Yeah. Ooh, mattress. That's a
Oh, everybody loves a good used mattress,
in
except
good condition.
especially in this economy. I mean, who wouldn't?
Yeah. Stearns and Foster. It's a good one.
Oh shit, that is a good one. They were just giving that bad boy away.
Yeah. Ooh, free old shingles.
Oh shit, I wonder how old we're talking here.
Um, I mean, they're in the bag still, so I mean that's actually not too bad of a deal. Still like kind of in the bag.
Can't beat free.
Oh my god, look how old this TV is. It's like one of those.
Oh. Oh, that is a beaut.
Let
What is
me
that,
guess.
65-inch?
Let me guess. It's free if you haul.
Oh, absolutely. That looks like a good Montgomery Ward's pickup back in the
It's a
day.
Sony.
Oh, it is? I would have sworn that was a
Yeah,
Zenith.
Sony.
Oh.
Yeah. Large old TV, great shape and clean, still works, but no remote, pickup only.
Oh, shit. No
Figure.
remote? Man, that's a deal breaker for me there.
Bullshit. Yeah, that's bullshit.
Yeah, they gotta find that bad boy. I mean, if they can go find their grandmother's couch cushion wherever they lost that, that'd be great.
Oh, that's an old ass stove. Oh, chickens.
Oh, free cock?
Wow.
Sorry, was that lame?
Yeah, it was kind of lame.
My
Remember?
bad.
Be funnier.
I know. From the last episode, I'm still fucking working on shitting the bed on. Just gotta be funnier. Just be funnier. Like those one people said, we fucked their feet up. Those people.
What people?
The ones from the real. Well,
Oh,
Barbara, no, not Barbara Streisand, but,
Barbara Streisand.
um, who is it? God damn. Oh, Mariah Carey and
Oh,
Nick Cannon's 12 Kids,
yeah,
producing her next album.
yeah.
No, they didn't like that apparently. I
No,
thought, I mean, I thought it was funny.
yeah.
I liked it we liked it liked it harmonated.
Liked and harmonated. Liked and hearted.
Hoof-hearted. Liked and hearted their comments because thought it was funny.
Good job, yeah. Kill him with kindness.
Yep. Lick my
So,
butthole.
this scooter's for sale.
Fuck yeah.
$550 though.
Oh, yes.
But that looks fun. That looks
That
a lot
looks
of
like a
fun.
gem.
Yeah, it looks like it's in good condition. Like that's a good scooter. What else?
How many Walmart miles does it have? Does it say?
17,000.
Like I want to know what kind of mileage it's got on it. Like,
Like
Walmart
where?
miles, Target miles, is it mall miles, cuz that'd be like equivalent to like highway miles, I feel.
Yeah. We should probably ask. I should
Yeah, they should probably disclose a little better.
um Oh my gosh.
No time. No time for that shit. We have established this.
I'm sorry. Oh, look at this old ass camera.
Oh, we're in the market for another camera. What do we got there?
This is whew, Minolta. That's old.
That looks
That's
like
a
a beaut.
look at the the flash on that thing.
That's I think we could definitely use that bad boy. Holy shit. That'd be
Probably good.
what a trip that'd be. Let's throw another wrench into this shit. How do you what would it be? How do you what kind of load would you put over that shit? Or how would I even get it hooked up? That'd be the miracle.
Yeah, that's the thing. How would you? Yeah, like that would be impossible. Like, good luck. Hey, missed connections today at Golden Corral. I saw you at Golden Corral, blonde hair, long white dress. You were a vision.
A
A
vision.
vision.
What? Like computer vision? Like some of the new AI models vision?
Definitely. Yeah, definitely one of those.
Okay. I was wondering.
All right. I'm not seeing anything fun in there. I'm gonna go to the news. So, so Trump allows federal workers to evangelize on the job.
Is that like smoke crack or what are we doing here?
So, Monday allowing Federal employees to actively promote their religious beliefs in the workplace, including discussing with colleagues why their faith is correct and attempting to convert them to their religion. The memorandum from the Office of Personnel Management, titled Protecting Religious Expression in the Federal Workplace, permits federal workers to engage in conversations with coworkers about religious topics and attempt to persuade others in the correctness of their own religious views. I don't see this going wrong at all.
Talk about an Epstein fucking curveball, baby. Let's throw some religion into the workplace. Everybody's a fucking Scientologist now. Hootin' and hollering. Tom Cruise. I'm on board.
Oh, it says the guidance allows federal employees to display religious items like Bibles, crucifixes, and mezuzahs on their desks from prayer groups during off duty hours and invite colleagues to religious services.
Oh my goodness, this is just gonna be great for everybody.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Fox News, which reported the story, the memo extends to public facing activities, permitting park rangers to join tour groups and prayer, and Veterans Affairs doctors to pray over patients. I don't see this ending very well. Like,
Hmm. Like, I just wonder sometimes if, like, China is just like watching all of America and just going, let's see what other stupid shit we can get America to do. I
uh,
wonder that.
yeah, no, I know. I think about everybody going like watching and like going like, What's wrong with America? Like, are they okay?"
Yeah, I know. Like that one Indian fella I worked with. I don't know. He said that they liked Trump a little bit, but I don't know. We didn't really get into a whole lot, but they
Yeah.
knew about it. They've seen the shit.
Yeah. Yeah. I would say you tried to not bring in like religious because it just stirs stuff up. It's not good. Like, I that's the most ridiculous thing, I think. And again, this is just something he's doing to get away from the Epstein shit. So,
Epstein curveball, baby. This is
yeah,
bringing it in, bringing the
that's
heat. I mean, I mean, federal workers so they can start talking about God and, at the
yeah.
Pentagon more. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm like, "Why why? I'm sorry, but maybe they should just be working. Why are they like they're gonna have prayer groups? Like,
Like, why was this on a list of give a shits? Like, I don't get that.
I know. I'm like, why? Like,
Like,
it
what do
just,
you wake up from the dead of sleep and goes, got one?
yeah, right? Like, what made anybody think, oh, this is something we should do? Like, this should not even be on the list of things to do right now. We have way more other things that need to be done.
Why doesn't anybody say, hey, Visa, MasterCard, all these bullshit fucking credit card companies, how about let's put a cap on these fucking 30% interest rates you keep charging every fucking body. It's running everybody into the goddamn ground. And
Yeah,
why doesn't anybody talk about that shit? Why,
right.
why doesn't anybody bring that fucking shit up? But now I gotta bring up, what is it, federal workers can talk
Yeah,
about fucking
our
God
religion.
and religion and all that shit at work? Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, like, no, that's crazy. I can't wait to
Yeah,
see
it's
how this
crazy.
pulls out. Like, it's not gonna be good though.
Say, hey, payment processors, do we really need to charge 3% on every time a motherfucker swipes their card? Fuck no.
Yeah,
And it's like hard to believe crypto's a thing because that's just trying to make that bullshit cheaper. And yeah,
right.
I'm in.
Yeah, it's like why do they charge every single time? Like,
Well, yeah, and then
what are they
on
charging for?
well, and then on top of it, it's like when you buy, like we talked about before, you buy those Visa cards for like family members. It's like $6.
Yeah,
Then it's like they charge a fucking processing fee to the people who do that bullshit.
yeah,
It's fucking insanity. It's like how you just literally can swipe a card to zero.
yeah, yeah. Crazy.
Like it's like when it's like when you're signing up for a fucking job and all that shit. You know, they give you like the list of all the great sweet benefits they offer. You can literally run your paycheck into zero by the time you get fucking your 401k tapped out. You're getting you got your the best insurance. You know, you're putting a little in the IRA too. You know, oh, gotta get better. Oh, they're offering pet insurance. What a fucking swelter of a deal!
Right.
It's insanity.
Yeah.
I watched some guy that fucking made it over 120,000. God, it had to be 140 he was making. That motherfucker showed me a 2 week paycheck. It was $750.
For 2 weeks.
Yeah, after all the fucking because he was about to retire, so he had to start dumping in a shitload more money.
Wow.
750 fucking dollars. That's how much he was taking home.
Jesus. Yeah, there's something seriously wrong with us. Hey, stop. I didn't see any other news. It's been pretty boring, it looks like. Oh. Ghislaine Maxwell appeals sex trafficking conviction to Supreme Court. That's the Jeffrey Epstein's whatever. Filed an appeal to the Supreme Court on Monday seeking to overturn her 2021 sex trafficking conviction, arguing that Jeffrey Epstein's 2007 non prosecution agreement with Florida prosecutors should have shielded her from federal charges. What?
How long ago did this come out? What's the time on that one?
This. 4 hours ago.
4 hours ago.
Yeah.
Now it's time to sing. Hold on. Does she have a book out already, or she's probably going in the works? Huh?
Well, she's in prison, so I mean.
Yeah, she's had a book done then. Huh?
I mean, I'm sure there's something.
How fucked up would it be if it was a children's book?
Oh my god.
That's awful.
That's terrible. I would hope somebody would come up and like just punch her straight in the face. Like I think
So
like a line of people coming up and just taking turns punching her in the face.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now,
Oh, Trump cuts ceasefire window for Russia, warns of trade penalties.
lame.
Yeah, that's pretty lame.
What do we got? What do we got? No, sharper image. Sharper image got it. Wait, that was Kanye. They might have his shit copyright free just so like a fuck you. I don't know.
Might.
Sounded like DA.
What do we got?
What is that? A toilet seat with a hammer? I can't tell what that is.
No, it's a lighted mirror with a makeup brush.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Over 50,000 sold. That does look like a toilet bowl lid, though.
Yeah.
So they should rethink that. We got... Oh, what's that? Oh, look at that. It's a cooler.
Holy sweet bliss.
$337.
It's got the American flag on it, Carly. And wheels. How do you put a price on that bad boy? Actually, you do 300. How much? $79. I hope to God there's 6 payments.
Where pilot it forward, backward, left, and right to deliver ice cold beverages. Okay.
Oh my God! You can drive it to your fat ass. Holy shit! What a fucking beauty. Nothing screams America more than having your fucking cooler on wheels, baby. Too bad we're a little... I'm going to guess this is on sale since we're a little bit past the 4th, but I can't imagine by much.
Yeah. Well, it says it was $450.
Oh, so you are getting a super good deal then.
Yeah. But you got to use code HEAT.
Code HEAT. Yeah, because you're bringing the heat to the party with this cooler on wheels.
Oh, yeah.
And you're probably melting the panties off all the ladies that are going to be around you and your fucking sweet ass cooler.
And you know what you can do? You could write it and get away from all the ugly girls trying to chase you.
Yeah, get like no fat chicks on the side.
Yeah, like you got.
Like, what was there a weight limit on the cooler? I wonder.
I
Like,
don't
was
think.
there a rider limit?
I don't think. Um, 30 quart cooler, max weight 60 pounds.
Oh, we gotta up the weight limit on that bad boy for people. I mean, you gotta at least get into the 4 to 5s. I mean,
Yeah.
especially it's like those double, like when we were in Nashville and we were like when we were walking through the mall, we saw those double scooters. Those were pretty nifty.
They were actually.
Like you and a partner can just ride your scooter through the mall.
That would be fun. Yeah, we should do that next time.
For sure. I mean those. I mean I've never seen tandem scooters like that. That was impressive.
Well,
I wonder what the turn radius was on that bad boy. Like, how are they? I never saw one turn around. Now that I think about it,
Yeah, you're probably not trying to. So.
like, boy, I hate to get that shit stuck in like a corner.
I picture like a Roomba, like just.
Like, how embarrassing! Just you and your buddy just fucking got your big long ass limousine scooter, fucking stuck. You're just fucking.
Running into the wall.
Oh my god! Like you're just.
God.
like everybody's just having to walk to the other side because you and fucking Margaret got your goddamn tandem fucking scooter jammed up.
If somebody is watching this and they see this and they know what we're talking about, please go to Nashville's mall and film yourself like getting stuck.
Oh my
and
god,
just
be
watch
good.
everybody's reaction. Like set up the phone in the back somewhere and just watch everybody go. Like what the fuck are you doing?
Like, what's a popular store? Like that Nike store.
Yeah.
You got to get that fucker like wedged in the door or some shit.
Yep.
You're like, oh fuck, I didn't know I couldn't get this thing through. Just play a complete idiot. You just got to be like, shit, I had no idea. I thought it could fit.
You think it has like a reverse sound? Beep.
Oh, it's got to. I hope it's super loud.
Oh,
They probably
God.
needed a light on it. Get the lights on the side, like the fork trucks, you know?
That would be
The
good.
red lights on the side so people don't get their toesies ran over.
Toesies.
Safety first.
Safety first. Buckle up.
It's like, you're not riddled with mental health problems. Let me put this red light on your toes so you don't get those run over.
Yeah.
You probably never saw those things. They put like a red light, so it's like these red lights that shine on the side of fork trucks so people know not to fucking stand so close when they're talking to people.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, so you like keep your toes out of the way of the wheel.
Golf ball finding glasses.
Oh, thank goodness.
How do these work? Oh my gosh.
What is it? Turn everything black?
So with glasses, without glasses. So it turns like everything dark. And then
So it turns you fucking blind, and then you can't see anything with the ball.
it turns you blind, and then you can't. Oh, and then you can just see white.
Perfect. Where could this go wrong? Why didn't they have these on
cool ass
Gilmore
glasses.
too?
Oh, so they make you go blind.
Oh, it's perfect. All you need to see is a pair of balls.
Yep, 3 of them. There's 3 right there.
Perfect. You and all your buddies' balls. That's all you're gonna see is you and your buddies' balls. And where could that go wrong?
That would be so good. They all have to wear them, like, and they all have to play together.
Like beer goggles. That'd be good.
And that's all you can see is the ball. I mean, what? That sounds great. That sounds fun.
Like, whose fucking idea was that? Like, who brought that idea to the
I don't
table
know.
and be like, this is what I got. I'm a little hungover today, Bruce. Sorry. It's Thursday. Happy hour yesterday. We all went out. You were there. You were just a pussy and didn't stay till fucking 2, like a real man, like I did.
Well,
And then he brings this to the table.
this is what he came up with.
Yeah.
Well, over 50K have been sold, so
50,000 blind people glasses. Holy shit. Blind ball glasses. With the glasses, you're only seeing the balls.
Yep. Blue tinted lens filters out grass and foliage. Highlights white golf balls for easy visibility. Lightweight portable design. Reduces search time and penalty strokes.
Absolutely.
Includes protective case and microfiber pouch.
So when you walk straight off into like a ravine or like some water, just, I don't know, be blessed you have those sweet glasses on.
Yep. Look at this monocular with smartphone adapter. You can look at birds. It's a binocular for your phone.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Ooh, there's a video. Cool.
Man, that's a good one.
Yeah. Over 16,000.
Surprised not more.
Much. $112.
Yeah, what a deal. What a deal, I know. You're as shocked as I am what a deal it was.
That's dumb. What is this? What is that? Barbecue grill light and fan.
Do they have a different color now? Is that what that is? Is that the one where you can light your neighbor's house up in a matter of seconds with that easy breezy blower lighter?
It's a grill light, so it goes up there.
Oh,
and there's fans.
What the fuck do you need fans
need
for?
This.
The people do, obviously.
No, you don't. Just
I need a grill light and fan.
Over 25,000 sold.
Well, is the fan to cool your meats off, or is it for like you as a human being?
I'm thinking, it probably is. It's probably kind of both. Like, it's probably blowing on you, when it's open.
That is a good idea. So then you can just blow all that delicious meat smoke just right in your face as you're cooking. Yeah.
And then like a hot dog.
Oh yeah, and then when you're done, you could have like a little bit of a grease sweat going.
That sounds good. Yeah, that's definitely probably what they were going for.
Yeah, I definitely see where Greg was. His vision was on that. It's probably lead designer.
Oh my God. Did they watch Happy Gilmore too?
Oh my God, yeah.
It's a golf club that stores your beer. Oh.
Yep, they definitely watched Happy Gilmore.
Wow. Disguised as golf club, fits in any golf bag. 48-ounce insulated cooler tank for hot or cold drinks. So in case you want your coffee in there, eat too.
Or liquor. You can keep your liquor warm.
Yeah.
So like like a full set of those. Like I wonder what a full set's running. Do they sell like a set of 8? You know, like do they have a driver version, holds extra liquor?
I don't think so. Just one. It's just one. 48 ounces though.
48 ounces of liquor. Is that enough for the day?
No. Definitely not. No. Definitely fucking not.
Yeah, 48 ounces of liquor
is
a little
40
shy.
ounces.
Yeah,
Like
that's
this.
not enough liquor.
That's like a bottle, I guess, of something. But like,
yeah, for you and all the gals and guys or whoever you're golfing with.
Oh, it says for California residents only.
Interesting.
Whoa, why?
Yeah, I wonder why that is.
Yeah, for California residents only. Weird. Well, that's bullshit.
Yeah, that is a horseshit deal. I wonder why that is. I wonder what's the deal there. Sharper image? Why are you discriminating states here?
Yeah. Bullshit.
I mean, the Midwest is like the #1 drinkers without a body of water nearby.
This is what I need. It's for your bed. You put all your stuff on it.
Oh.
That's actually really nice. I kind of want it. So, it's $103. It's not that much.
Holy shit.
I bet they sell
what a
these.
deal.
Oh, look at this. There's one for $40. $30.
Say it isn't so, Barbara.
$19.99.
What a beautiful read.
God. Don't buy this. Don't buy this.
Yeah, like, come on now. Oh, and another thing. The place that I was gonna buy some more of these boards from, you motherfuckers, and your stupid ass mail-in. Quit with the fucking mail-in rebates, goddammit. Ain't nobody taking their motherfucking ass to the motherfucking post office to get a motherfucking stamp. No, stop it. Sons of bitches.
Everybody knows, who has an 11% rebate that you can turn in? We all know who that is. We're not going to name names, but we know.
Yeah, seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Nobody's going to do that anymore.
Quit being assholes.
They do, honestly, they really do probably need to revamp that or figure out another way. They would probably get more customers. That's why it's even if they did something different and did a 5% back and you could do it online.
Or just none. Don't even offer it.
Oh,
just chaps my
just
ass.
Take off the money. Yeah.
Yeah, don't even offer it. It just pisses me off. That's even a fucking option. The disrespect.
Yeah.
Just the disrespect.
Yeah.
It's are you fucking serious? Hold on. You're going to offer me a digital receipt, but then you're going to expect me to send that motherfucker in for a rebate? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Yep.
Oh, God, it upsets me.
Yeah, me too. All right,
Chaps my
I'm gonna
ass.
find a few more and then.
Does it chap your ass as well?
Yeah, it does. What do we got for? Ooh, clothes. Oh, those are yellow glasses.
Do they got any that you can see through walls or anything like that? That'd be nice.
I don't think so. Smart fish finder.
That's a good one. Everybody needs that, I think.
Oh, stop. How is it finding fish? The smart fish finder is sonar bobber that attaches to the end of your line. Simply cast it into the water. Within seconds, it sends an alert to your phone via a free app to tell you where the fish are.
What a fucking genius idea.
Who did this? Who?
What? Better yet, what is the price of this bad boy? I have got to hear this.
$119.99.
Oh my God.
All right, we're going to do it again.
So while you're looking that up for some even better prices, now tell me how many bobbers you could go through on a given fishing trip.
Oh my God.
I mean, chances are while you're there, you might see one tied up on a goddamn stick.
Yeah.
And for the low, low price, they're expecting you to cast out your $120 bobber. And then
take that risk.
just be ever so gingerly with it to not ever, ever catch a stick, never hook into the bottom.
A tree.
Like nothing.
Yeah, no, it's that, no, whoever, yeah, because I found it on Amazon, $90 on Amazon. So these are a thing, but yeah, who is buying these?
That is just.
Please, if somebody's watching and they know and they experience this, let us know. Because it's I just think, what happens when you lose it? You're fucked. You're
that's a $120 bobber down the toilet.
You go, everybody gets mad when they lose a pole on accident, but if you lose your $120 bobber.
I mean, I've heard of stories of you know, like, okay, for instance, there's a story about a guy that I worked with. He bought a new boat, right? Brand new boat. Drunk as shit on that boat. Hurls brand new boat keys into the water. Drunk as shit. Said, no more keys to boat. That happened. Yeah. Yep.
How'd they get back?
I can't remember. That was the only part of the story that I really remembered because I thought that was so fucking hilarious. But I forget where I was going with this. Where we're leading us into a drunken fiasco. So you got your golf club full of liquor. You got your $120 bobber. You're going fishing. Only in California, because that's the only place they sell that stupid fucking liquor club, because they're assholes.
Oh my god. Wait.
We want more liquor clubs.
Oh yeah, it's attached. Like I was like, watch this entire time. It's like you just set it in the water next to you.
Like, what a, like, oh my God. Be like, I'm fucking, yeah, be like, you're going to be a nervous wreck just tying up your bobber. You're like, what a shit day already. And like, what if you got, like, what if you got your kid out there and you're like, all right, little Jimmy, fucking the millionth time you fucking snag this son of a bitch up, you know, because when you take your kids fishing as a parent, you're not fishing anymore. You're just fixing the fucking lines.
Yeah, there's no fishing to be had.
Yeah.
Like, especially if there's more than one kid, you might as well just go home. And you could do that in the yard. Like, you can just be like, all right, catch that stick. I'll just fix it.
And then, too, like, what if you get your bobbers mixed up and you give, like, little Jimmy that fucking $120 bobber?
Oh, no.
Man, what a bad day.
Hey, I did see this thing. Cordless snow shovel. And I think it's, like, trying to plow snow, but with no cord. Like, so it's like you just roll it.
Is there like does it got anything in this? I can't tell. Is it got anything on the inside, or is it just like a blade that
It looks like
an
a plastic
empty
blade.
Combining innovation and functionality, Snow Joe provides an easy, convenient, and cordless solution to get snow out of your way this winter. Powered by Snow Joe's exclusive Ion Plus 24-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery system.
That battery alone is
$900.
$900.
XR delivers up to 27 minutes
Probably
of battery
is about as
runtime
much
to
as
quickly
the
clear snow from your porch, patio, driveway, and deck, minus the hassle and headaches or tangled cords. The light choice is the right choice with Snow Joe.
What is that, like 3 inches wide?
Exactly.
It's shreds up to 2,025
it's maybe a
pounds of
foot.
snow per charge.
My God.
That would take forever.
Yeah, it would take you a lifetime. Like you'd be like, this is ridiculous. You'd buy that and you'd go, why did I buy this stupid thing? And then you'd end up just getting your shovel out and going,
exactly.
Shit.
This is good for probably people that they get snow, but not a lot. And they only have like a little, they want to do their path in the front of their house. But
it's pretty good for your deck. For your little fucking snickerdoodle so you can brush off a little spot on your deck so you can go take a shit.
But for $219, like, you have got to be kidding me.
Well, yeah, it's blue.
That's crazy.
That's why it's not red. If it was red, it'd be 125. But it's blue, so
blue.
it's
makes sense.
Yeah, I'm glad you see it that way.
All right, dear. You want to finish this up?
Absolutely. All right. Thanks for tuning in again. Sorry the news has been such ridiculousn's.
We've been kind of a snooze fest too lately.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been more working on website stuff and all that shit. I've been debating on lately on like you trying to ask me questions about shit or just fucking me as a person, but I just don't know how to do that, and it just seems odd and weird. Yeah, it's like
Why?
I don't know. It's hard for I don't know. It's hard for me to talk about myself.
Yeah, I can see that.
It's like when I can talk, like, I can shoot in little stuff, but that's just to like help people open up and shit like that.
Right.
Like yeah. Well, I said at the beginning like what the shirts were for on the back wall,
Yeah.
but
Well, if you're watching this and you have a question, please drop it in the comments and then we'll ask Josh next time. We'll just read off questions.
yeah.
Wouldn't be a bad idea. But we got to get comments, so.
Yeah, that'll probably be a big zero. Fighting for people's attention these days is a motherfucker.
Oh, yeah, I know. I don't know how anybody does it. Like, to get any. I'm having the same issue on, like, my other platforms. Like, finding anybody to click on anything, I don't know who's doing it, but thanks. But I can't seem to find anybody.
Yeah, and I would like also, because I look at the analytics on tupyshow.com. Go ahead and check that out. I do all the websites too. The 25% that's coming from the Republic of China, I'd really like to give a shout out. I think it was 22%. I have to check on the day, but I really like to give those people a shout out.
Hey,
So
whoever they are.
yeah, and that's about 50-50 desktop and mobile. So
Yeah.
I look at that shit because it's weird.
Yeah, you're pretty weird.
Analytics.
You're a nerd.
All right, so maybe some other time we'll get into me, you, I don't know, life in general.
Yeah, I think I don't know. I think that'd be interesting. We could do an episode just. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to figure out something just talking about ourselves or different. I don't know, different things. Stuff that we're not comfortable with, because I think people like watching that too when people are uncomfortable. Like, you know what I mean? It's like watching the shit show. You're watching the drunken idiot fall down the stairs. Everybody's going to watch. Like.
Yeah, it's true.
Because you don't know how it's going to turn out.
I know. I guess in my head it's like you get, I don't know. It's like I don't know. It's like is it a Midwest thing where it's just like I'd rather focus on I don't know. I'd rather help people with. I'd rather just like talk it out than, I don't know. It's weird. I'd rather just have it like come out like more
naturally.
Yeah, like if they bring up something about their like childhood or some shit like that, it's like I can usually bounce something off or.
Yeah, it's a little harder to talk about and be open about stuff when you know it's coming. Like you know what the question is, or like, because then you think about it too much. Like and then it's not as real, it seems like. And I'm sure other people have dealt with that too. It's just kind of hard.
Yeah, and that's kind of like the other thing too, like bringing other people in, interviewing them. There's kind of, it's kind of like not even interviewing them, it's just fucking bullshitting. Right. That's kind of what it is. I mean, I talk no different. I mean, me from here to normal is about the fucking same.
Yeah.
There's no real difference. And I think that's kind of what makes this good. But it's like, you have to work a lot harder, like when it's, because this is like something like not a lot of people do, or like us would really get the chance to do. So it's like it's like you got to peel somebody. It's like you got to peel the person back, compared to where, like, I don't know how some of these other people operate, when it comes to like doing like their podcasts or interviews or whatever the hell you want to call it. It just feels like, what's your childhood like, Right. It's like I can't approach people like that I know, because it immediately puts people into like a guard,
Yeah.
So it's like, like especially like you know how it is when it comes to like just that's not how we talk.
Right. No,
You know?
yeah, exactly.
We don't sit down and go, well, Jim, why don't you tell me about your childhood? Starting from the age of your first memory. Go. They'd look at you and they'd go, are you fucking out of your mind?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, no, if you want it to be like more open, it's harder to, you have to like work into it, not just, yeah. What'd you do when you were 5? Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, and it's like, you know where we should do this is about like 10 o'clock on like a Friday, Saturday night at a bar.
Oh yeah.
That's the place you need to be doing a podcast,
Fuck
because
yeah.
that's the for sure place you get, what you're looking for.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea. We should probably go do that some Friday night.
Yeah,
Just
but
like stand outside of a bar, see if somebody will come talk to us drunk.
yeah, I know. Then you gotta like run the risk of them being like, oh fuck, Then you got the regret and all that bullshit.
Yeah,
You gotta
true.
fucking try to fight that battle.
Sign this waiver first.
Yeah, no shit. You had all this liquid courage.
Yeah, but then they come back to say they were drunk and inebriated, and then we get sued, and
Yeah,
because they
it's
didn't
like
know what they were signing.
it's like, come on, you wanted to tell Barb for like 4 years how much you hated her at work, and now you
Yeah.
finally got that chance.
Yep. Now she knows.
Yeah. No, but one of these times we'll and kind of talk. I don't know. Talk more about. I don't know. Shit.
Shit.
Yeah.
Getting deep shit.
Yeah.
Dive deep
Dive deep.
into our thoughts.
Uh,
I don't want to do that.
yeah. That shit ain't no fun.
Yeah. Alrighty.
All right. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the last little bit of a rant and all bullshit.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Cool your tits.
Wow!
Wow.
Wow!
Jesus Christ.
Sorry.
And for anybody who has listened this long, I'll throw this in again. The last words here on the back wall, those are the last words my dad told me when I was 10 years old before taking his own life. So that's what that's for. Never hold back. Carli?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
There you go. Don't let that happen again, all right? Don't you?
Bye.
Bye now.